Good morning, everyone. I'm Casey, and I want to start by saying something that will sound a bit outlandish, but I'm here because I want to be in the vanguard of the revolution.
I teach at Wesleyan just up the road here.
Hi, I'm Josh Forstenser, and I'm a philosopher by training.
The students I taught in the prison context come from a state prison in the Georgia Department of Corrections.
I teach at the Jewish Theological Seminary. I'm not a person of faith.
Our students are grades 5 through 12, so 10-year-olds through 18-year-olds.
Greetings from Hong Kong. The University of Hong Kong is a secular university. It's a very, very secular university with no religious background at all. And then when I first arrived at the university about 10 years ago, I realized that it was really a spiritual desert. It was the most spiritually arid place I've ever been in terms of a university.
Without some fundamental grounding in the ideas of not just our culture, but the cultures of the world, including faiths and philosophical traditions, our sense of direction as citizens, as members of political communities, was inevitably limited and easily led astray.
The students were really very empty and very, very hungry. And actually, the content of the course was already a feast for them. Knowledge suddenly becomes something that is real, that really mattered.
The secret sauce of the Life Worth Living courses, I think, is not vulnerability, but love.
This is about her final essay about what is your vision of a life worth living. Thank you so much again for offering me a chance to speak on my own voice. I feel respected and honored. To be honest, this is my first time in university writing down an essay with I on the center of stage. In fact, this kind of essay gives me a great sense of belonging and involvement. I am in this essay, or I am this essay. Limited words cannot include my whole feelings and opinions, while indeed it is like a stone thrown into the pool of my life, leaving tens of thousands of reflection and deep thought.
In other words, what we're talking about is a curriculum that, to quote Brene Brown, sounds like truth and feels like courage, both because of what we teach and how we teach it.
This is not an extra, this is not an add-on, this is not a feel-good. This is the thing we will do with you. This is the site of your education.